start or on application, and actually the methods we usually write in application.cfc because it is already written here in the mac2.cfc, but you will be able to override those methods that are defined here in the mac2.cfc. So let's see what is happening. So I have written here mac2 underscore config underscore file. It will go to that mac2.xml file. So it is the controller of my mac2 application here, right? Let's see what happens. Reload. Oops, same error. Yeah, let me see what is happening. Just wait. Oops. Let me see. Control S. Sorry. Reload. Change. Here is the exception, right? So the control is going from here to here. Here. machii.xml. Let me see what is happening here. Oops. It is showing in .xml format. So for our own benefit, for writing code, I can use it like .cfm. Okay, it's too slow. Okay, just close it. Fine. Here just write .cfm. Control S. Okay, here is the file, right? So here is the main controller. This is the mac2 configuration file here, right? This is the format how you will be able to write machii. It is an XML, so we have used here the XML. Okay, so application rule, right? Here we'll put like this: control tab, reload. Oops, same error. Actually, what is happening when there is an error, it is directly going to the exception page, right? Yeah, here is the exception handler, event handler, and mac2 is purely event based. Whatever we will do here, it is through event. Let me see what is happening here. Couldn't find the included template. Change views exception.cfm. Okay, let me check cf. Unless I'm changing the application tab. Oops. There is another error. Unable to find the base config file for module. So whenever you will find that there is no change on the browser, that time you can change the name of the application. Just wait. It is not able to find. Yeah, we have successfully installed that mac2 framework. So I'll show you what is actually happening here. This mac2 config path here, it is then going to that configuration file, right? And these are few properties you need to write here in that mac2 configuration file. So here we have defined that the default event is here, home, right? So default event, and from here it will go to event handlers first, then home, and from that home it will go here, that is view page. Here is the view page, right? Here is the home.cfm. so I will go here home, that is home.cfm. Control is coming here, so Control A, Control Shift M to comment the whole code. Control S, it will show a blank page, right? Yeah, nothing is coming out, right? So I can write hello Mac 2, hello Mac 2, yeah, reload, yeah, hello Mac 2. So it is working, man. Yeah, so this is the base file for doing anything. Here are few files, like I can include other files here. Here is the property part and the listeners. I'll tell you how it actually works, and event filters for filtering something, and the plugin part, and the event handlers. So here if we write like this, index.cfm, oops, it is nothing in that, index.cfm version of event equals to home, 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 load. That is the same page. So this is actually the style of writing the URL. Here is the index.cfm, then event, then the name of the event. If we write other events that are not defined in the Mac2 configuration file, like home event, it is not defined in the Mac2 configuration file, so it will show your exception here. Let's see, yeah, event handler for event home event in module isn't defined. So what is happening, it is first going to the application.cfc, and from there it is coming here and it is looking for the event name. Event is here object. Mac2 is purely object oriented, so here is event is the object, right, and it is the name of the event, and from there it is going here to the view pages and goes to that folder. Here is the home.cfm page. Thus it is working. So how it actually goes to the listener, right? Here there is a part, listener part, right? That's all for that video. My second session, maybe the third session on Mac2 will be my next video. That's all, folks, and you will be able to get other coldfusion video tutorials, or here is my coldfusion channel here, right? You will be able to get few resources on coldfusion and Mac2. I have just taken an initiative for available Mac2 and coldfusion resources. and if there are a lot of research of a particular technology, then it will be a clear thing for all those people who will be using that technology like coldfusion, and it will be famous, and other developers can migrate from their current technology to that coldfusion technology. So I think if people, those who are working on coldfusion, you should upload videos and your working experience and your experience that you do in your home, in your spare time. Then this technology will be famous. Here is my coldfusion channel. That's all.